Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix stuttering and lag in Marvel's Spider-Man 2 for PC. First, move or delete dsstorage.dll and dsstoragecore.dl from the game folder to reduce stuttering. Then use the stutter fix mod to set the game's CPU priority to high for better performance. Next, disable ray tracing and graphics settings to improve stability and reduce crashes. Lower texture quality, shadow quality, and disable VSync to reduce GPU load. Then update your graphics drivers to the latest version for performance improvements. Now turn off overlays like GeForce Experience, Discord, and Steam Overlay to avoid conflicts. Verify the integrity of game files through Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Next, install the game on an SSD to improve loading times and overall smoothness. Then adjust Windows Registry TDR delay settings to prevent crashes and enhance stability. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.